Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Summary. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a personal finance book that compares the financial philosophies of the authors to dads, his biological father Poor Dad, and the father of his best friend Rich Dad. Through these contrasting perspectives, Kiyosaki highlights key lessons about money, investing, and financial independence. Key concepts. 1. The rich don't work for money. Poor Dad, focused on earning a steady paycheck through traditional employment. Rich Dad emphasized the importance of having money work for you by creating and investing in assets. 2. The importance of financial education. Poor Dad valued formal education and believed it was the key to success. Rich Dad stressed the need for financial literacy and understanding how money works. 3. Mind your own business. Poor Dad focused on climbing the corporate ladder. Rich Dad encouraged building your own business and investing in assets like real estate, stocks, and bonds. 4. The history of taxes and the power of corporations. Rich Dad explained how corporations are powerful tools to protect and grow wealth, benefiting from tax laws and advantages not available to employees. 5. The rich invent money. Rich Dad believed in being innovative and seizing opportunities to create wealth rather than relying on conventional methods. 6. Work to learn, don't work for money. Poor Dad worked for job security and benefits. Rich Dad advised working to learn and acquire new skills, especially those related to sales, marketing, and investing. Key lessons. Assets versus liabilities. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket, whereas a liability takes money out of your pocket. Financial success comes from acquiring assets that generate income. Financial independence. Aim to generate enough passive income through investments to cover living expenses, leading to financial freedom. Mindset and attitude. A positive and proactive mindset about money is essential. Embrace risk and learn from failures. Strategies for wealth building. Investing in real estate. Kiyosaki advocates investing in real estate as a means of generating passive income and building wealth over time. Starting your own business. Entrepreneurship is a path to financial independence, providing greater control over income and the potential to build significant wealth. Continual learning. Commit to lifelong learning about money, investing, and financial management. Criticisms and controversies. Some critics argue that Kiyosaki's advice is overly simplistic or anecdotal, and that not all of his strategies are universally applicable. However, the book remains influential for its motivational message and practical approach to financial education. In conclusion, Rich Dad Poor Dad offers a paradigm shift in thinking about money and wealth. It encourages readers to seek financial education, invest in assets, and strive for financial independence through proactive and entrepreneurial means.